Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday's action was a bit dramatic because market has shown the significant Russian rinse of the previous tops, but at the same time it was not able to proceed higher right to the OP target. So mostly we could say that market stands still around the same agreement resistance in 1410 area. So it's A, B, C, D, C OP target accompanied with the 618 resistance from this top to this bottom. Here I just diminished this line just to show you the spike up here. It has happened yesterday, because if I will draw this line right to the level, we do not see clearly what the top of this candle has happened. So recently we haven't got our entry point, because if you remember, we talked about the ABCD retracement on the intraday charts right to the confidence, because it was shown by the dollar index that this retracement should happen, because on dollar index some kind of the head and shoulders pattern was developing. And if you'll take a look at the dollar index, indeed on dollar index this head and shoulders actually has turned to kind of the double bottom or something of that sort. So market just has retested the same lows and shows the upward acceleration. On the dollar index, this deeper retracement has happened because market has retested this area, while on the euro currency retracement has taken the smaller scale and was not able to show the same action as on the dollar index. So if you'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, this market just right now has completed the harmonic swing. Yesterday from that tops, harmonic swing has not been completed and no ABCD patterns on the intraday chart have been formed. Currently, guys, market has completed harmonic swing, and take a look. This is here we have the very strong support cluster. So this is combination of the confidence supports. So this is from these levels on 1355, from that levels 1347, and lower stands another 618 support 1330. So here is, we could say, there's two confidence areas stands at this level. It means that currently immediately market hardly will be able to just break it by the single candle and move and show its downward action. So right now we're mostly watching for some pullback, but in general downward continuation still could happen, because we have got at least people to sell pattern in place, and if we will get the clear bearish patterns in this area, we could say that at least some kind of the ABCD action could be formed here. So on the hourly chart, you could see that market simultaneously is breaking right now this support area, this longer term trend line support. I would suggest, guys, that this spike up was to XOP target. So if we will put this expansion on the market, you will see that market by this action has hit the XOP but XOP not from the absolute lows, but from the point where this real upward action has started. So it's always on the market useful to draw the fib extensions not from the absolute lows, but from the candle and price where the action indeed has started taking the start. And you can see here OP has been hit, you can see here, but not in this moment, because take a look, if you will draw the fib extension right from these lows, you could see that here market has not hit the OP. OP was hit a bit later, and XOP still stands untouched. But if you will draw the extension right from the point where the upward action indeed has started, you could see the OP was hit here, consolidation started after that, and now market has hit the XOP and turns down. So this is very useful when you plan to take the position or to place the stop. You should every time take this into consideration. these kind of extensions. They are very useful in the market. So currently, guys, potential pattern that we could keep an eye on here, it's definitely the hand shoulder. So you can see this could become left shoulder, hand, right shoulder is yet to be started, and probably it could be formed just because of the strong support area on the daily chart that we have talked about. So some pullback here is very probable because you take a look, it's two confluence supports here, harmonic swing completion, so some upward bounce here is very probable. But after that, keep an eye on the possible bearish patterns, because here yesterday we haven't got the ABCD pattern that we have talked about. Market immediately turned up, so we was not able to get opportunity for taking the long position. For our bears, we said that until market stands above the confluence, don't be short, because market keeps valid the bullish, short-term bullish tendency, and wait for clear patterns, bearish reversal patterns before taking any short positions, or wait for breakout of the important levels. So currently we could get some bearish patterns. Just keep an eye on what will happen. Currently, guys, here we have only one extension, it's ABC top, but I think that later we will get something more valuable. This ABCD target points on the OP 1335 area that stands precisely inside this confluence support. This target, this area, guys, actually the minimum target on the Gartner steeple to sell, because as you know, the minimum target of the Gartner pattern is the 30% retracement in a direction of the pattern, and that's particular downside and scenario that we could get. But later, I suppose if the hand shoulders will be formed, we could get another ABC top, maybe OP will stand approximately the same. I don't know, but this pattern is of course not. It's a bit very short term, and it seems that actually it's not based on some real pattern, so it's just the first reaction on the market. But later, if some pattern will be formed, it will be more reliable. So, but that's all that we have currently. So that being said, right now it's not time for taking the long position, because market shows signs of weakness, and bears currently could watch for clear bearish pattern that will let us take the position and calculate target. So following the 4-hour time frame with this pattern, we could suggest that probably will be first somewhere around 1335 area, 1330. This will be first destination point with a possible drop. But do not take the position blindly. Wait for clear patterns before taking position. This could be, as I said, hand shoulders may be the right part when the hand shoulders will take place, kind of the Gartner steeple to sell. It's also possible, very often happens on the market.